Want to customize the look and feel of your community? In this guide, we'll show you how to set up branding and fonts in Jambo. First, log into your Jambo account and access the dashboard. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. From the Settings menu, select Branding and Builder to start customizing your community's theme. To begin customizing, toggle Custom Branding on. This allows you to modify colors, fonts, and other design elements. Start by selecting a color theme. This will set the base color scheme for your community. You can also fine-tune colors for specific elements. Let's go through a few key settings. Set colors for action buttons, hover effects, and inactive elements. Use a hex code or select from the color picker. You can also adjust colors for secondary text, announcement cards, and help text to match your branding. A real-time preview lets you see how your branding looks on different devices, web, landing page, and mobile. To keep branding consistent, you can choose a font style from the predefined list. This will apply across the entire platform. Try different fonts and see the changes in real time. Once you're happy with the customizations, click Save Changes to apply the new branding across the platform. Your new branding is now live, giving your community a unique and professional look. That's it. Now you know how to set up branding in Jambo. For the latest updates, visit our help platform. See you in the next tutorial.